Robert Vernon here. Today we're going to learn how to make PDFs, and I'm going to show you two different ways to do it. One from a native application InDesign, and the other way we're going to actually use Adobe's Distiller to make a PDF. So I have a document all queued up ready to go in InDesign, and what I'm going to do to make a PDF out of InDesign is select File, Export, and I'm going to tell it where to go. I'm going to put it on my desktop so we can find it easily. And you've got some great presets. I'm going to go ahead and select PDF X1A because that's the one that's the safest for printing. It's really optimized for CMYK, 300 DPI, high quality compression, and it's really your safest bet. I can show you here by selecting the compression tab that it's going to downsample to 300 DPI for any images over 450. We've got JPEG compression at maximum quality. I'm going to go ahead and put crop marks on this. I'm going to put an 1/8 inch bleed, which is standard in the industry, and we're ready to go ahead and press the export button, and it'll put the PDF on the desktop. Well, there it is. We can see it's got crop marks, and we're ready to go. All right, that's the first way. Now, there's nothing wrong with that PDF, but I'm going to show you a better way, and that's using Distiller. Well, why is it better? Well, Distiller does nothing but create PDFs, and it's a superior PDF. If you ever have any trouble with any files not printing, you can distill it, and most likely it will print correctly. If you have Distiller and it comes with the CS Design Suite, I would really highly recommend you use that in your workflow instead of creating it out of the native application. To use Distiller, we're going to again go to our export selection. This time we're going to export out as an EPS. I'll put that on the desktop as well. And we'll go ahead and say all pages, level 3. You should be using level 3. It's really, unless you're having some kind of problem with your RIP, data format should be binary, not ASCII. We're going to go ahead and again export it out. We've got 4 pages. I'm going to hide this. And I'm going to pull up Distiller. Now Distiller, again, has the same presets. And I'm going to select X1A again. You have some other options here. You see I made one, a custom one for a specific job. But for this demonstration we're going to use 1A. I'm going to just drag over my EPS, and you can see it's creating the PDF. And it'll put that right back on the desktop. There it is. You can open that up, take a look at it, and we have a PDF made out of Distiller. Well, there's 2 ways to do it. Again, using the native application, saving a PDF directly out of it, and you can use the exact same settings in Illustrator, or using Distiller, and I really recommend Distiller. If you have any questions, you can email me at robert@digitalartsimaging.com or call me at 908-237-4646, and I hope that makes your workflow go a little easier. Thanks a lot.